In the previous session, we have learned about the sets and set functionalities like intersection, union, difference. So we have already performed so many things on the set and set related operations. A few students ask sometimes that what is frozen set? So frozen set is a very small concept that is related to the set. So let's see that what is called frozen set. As it name suggests, frozen means it will be freeze, so you cannot make changes into a set that is a type of frozen set. So let's see. Frozen sets are immutable objects. As we know that sets are mutable, but frozen sets are immutable objects. It has the characteristics of a set, but its elements cannot be changed once assigned. Means since your set is now frozen, so you cannot make changes into the elements of this type of the sets. If you want to make a set as immutable, then you will use a method that is called frozen set. The frozen set is an inbuilt function in Python which takes an iterable object. Just remember this one. If you want to create any frozen set, you need to pass iterable object into the frozen set method as argument and make them immutable. So the question is, what is the use of this frozen set? So first thing, if you have a situation in a program where you don't want to make changes into your set, then you can make frozen set first. And second one is there is a data type that is called dictionary. So in dictionary, there is a condition that says uh, the keys of the dictionaries must be a type of immutable data type. Okay, I'll discuss into the next session what is dictionary. So if you have a set and you want that set is to be a key of that dictionary, then first you need to convert that set into frozen set. Okay, because a set is mutable, so you cannot make as key of dictionary the set. So frozen set can be key of dictionary. Since sets are mutable, we know that objects and unhashable. So these type of objects are mutable, so it is unhashable. They cannot be used as keys in dictionary, but frozen sets are hashable and can be used as key in dictionary data types. So this is the use, one of the use of frozen set. Okay, so how to make the frozen set? Let's see with the example also. Okay, so to create a frozen set, here I will write, for example, if I have a list, okay, and list is, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you want to create frozen set, so my frozen set is f underscore set is equal, I will call a method that is called frozen set, and here I will pass the iterable object. And after that, if I check the type of this set, then you can see the type of this set. And we know that how to check the type. So now you can see here that it is a type of frozen set. And what are the values inside your frozen set? You can see here by using print method f set. So look at here. Okay, so this is your frozen set. As you can see inside, it has been blocked. It has been putted all the values into curly brackets. We know that all the values will be in curly bracket if it is set. Now, if we have a list can have duplicate elements. So can our frozen set have the duplicate elements? No. Why? Because it is a kind of set. It will follow all the rules and regulation of the sets, but you cannot make changes into the frozen set. Cannot change because it is mutable. For example, if I write that f underscore set, we know that if we want to add any element, then we call a method of add. And here, if I pass element like 10, and after that, if I print this frozen set, control paste, let's see that what is the output. So here you can see that frozen set object has no attribute add. We cannot perform the addition, updation like operation onto the frozen set because it is immutable type of object. So FrozenSet supports only these types of the methods, means except addition and updation and deletion type of the operation. Rest of the operation you can perform, like copy, difference, intersection, is disjoint, is subset, is superset, symmetric difference, union. So you can perform these operations. So we have already learned in the previous session on the set that how to perform the operation. So I'm not going to discuss all these methods again. And this point that is in box in red color, just remember this one. FrozenSet does not support any method that update and remove the elements. So I hope the FrozenSet is now clear. So if you want to create, then you can use the FrozenSet method. That's all. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share your views, share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. So thank you. Bye-bye.